You've probably heard this quote, "Money isn't everything. Make sure you earn a lot before saying such nonsense." Whether Buffett actually said it or not, it's brutally true. Because even dividend investing only starts to feel real after your first $100,000. So here's the real question. How do you get there faster without gambling? That's where the rise of AI ETFs changes everything. If your first 100K is the hardest, let's make your next 100K faster. Today, we're talking about the megatrend that could accelerate your wealth before 2030, artificial intelligence. First, we'll break down why AI isn't just hype, it's becoming the core engine of every major industry. Then, we'll dive into 5 AI ETFs that capture the entire ecosystem, the chip makers, data centers, model builders, and software giants shaping the future. Ready to see how investors are turning this trend into life-changing returns? Let's jump in. This might sound dramatic, but we're living through the biggest shift since the birth of the internet. Remember the year 2000? People laughed at websites. Who'd ever shop online? 20 years later, Amazon didn't just prove them wrong, it rewrote the economy. And now, history is repeating itself. Only this time, it's not websites or smartphones. It's artificial intelligence, and it's already everywhere. Hospitals are diagnosing diseases faster than doctors. Factories are catching product defects before humans even notice. Banks are spotting fraud before it happens. Even your phone is predicting your next move, from what you'll buy to what you'll type. And here's the craziest part. We're still early. Goldman Sachs projects AI could add $7 trillion to global GDP. Meanwhile, companies like Nvidia, Microsoft, and Amazon are throwing billions into AI infrastructure, treating it like the gold rush of our generation. The question is, will you be one of the miners or the ones watching from the sidelines? Here's what most investors still don't realize. The biggest money in AI isn't in the apps. It's in the infrastructure that makes it all possible. Take a look at this. Amazon, Microsoft, Google, and Meta have quietly turned their spending into rocket launches. Back in the 2010s, their capital budgets were in the tens of billions. But around 2023, something flipped. Suddenly, those bars shot up like SpaceX boosters. Amazon alone could pour more than $500 billion into AI-driven infrastructure, and by 2027, combined investment from the tech giants could top $1.4 trillion. Trillion with a T. Why? Because AI doesn't run on magic. It runs on chips, data centers, fiber, cloud platforms, and electricity. A lot of electricity. Every chatbot, every self-driving car, every deepfake generator lives somewhere, and those somewheres cost billions to build. Microsoft is adding data centers faster than some countries build power grids. Google's hoarding AI chips like gamers during a GPU shortage. Meta's spending on AI research like it's a Black Friday sale on intelligence. These companies aren't just investing in AI, they're betting their entire future on it. And here's where it gets exciting for investors. To understand where the biggest opportunities lie, picture AI as a pyramid. AI at the bottom, chip makers like Nvidia, AMD, ASML, and TSMC, the silicon brains of the revolution. Above them, the infrastructure titans, Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, hosting and scaling the models. Then come the foundational models, GPT-4, Llama, Palm, and at the top, the apps you know, ChatGPT, Claude, Bard. The best part, the 5 ETFs we're about to reveal give you exposure across every layer of that pyramid, from the silicon to the software that's shaping the future. Let's begin with SMH. Let's start our AI ETF lineup with the undisputed chip king, SMH. It's the VanEck Semiconductor ETF, and if AI is a gold rush, SMH doesn't just sell the shovels, it owns the factories that make them. This fund targets the semiconductor ecosystem, the chips that power every AI model, data center, and robot on Earth. With about $33 billion in assets, SMH is the largest semiconductor ETF globally. It holds only 26 stocks, So every dollar you invest is concentrated into the biggest winners of the AI chip boom. The fee? Just 0.35%, surprisingly low for such a focused play. Its top holdings read like an AI Hall of Fame: Nvidia, TSMC, ASML, AMD, Intel, Broadcom, Qualcomm, and more. These firms don't just use AI, they enable it. They're the toll booths every AI model must pay to exist. Of course, tight focus means higher swings. When chip demand slows, volatility jumps. But when AI expands, semiconductors get paid first. Because let's face it, betting against chips is like betting against oxygen. And if SMH is the king of concentrated chip power, our next ETF spreads that power across the entire semiconductor universe. Meet XSD. XSD. If SMH is the blue chip general of the AI chip army, then XSD is its squad of fearless snipers. This is the SPDR S&P Semiconductor ETF, and it plays in the same battlefield, but with a completely different strategy. Instead of concentrating on megacaps like Nvidia and TSMC, XSD spreads its $1.6 billion across 41 semiconductor names, many of them mid and small cap disruptors. The result? Higher beta, higher volatility, and higher upside. Its expense ratio is 0.35%, same as SMH, but no single stock dominates. XSD is equal weighted, so every company gets a fair shot at the spotlight. Its top holdings include ON Semiconductor, Monolithic Power Systems, Microchip Technology, Skyworks, Axcelis, Lattice Semi, Wolfspeed, and Cirrus Logic. Firms quietly supplying the brains behind AI software, defense tech, EVs, and IoT devices. Sure, smaller chip makers can soar or crash, so expect sharper moves, but that's the point. XSD captures tomorrow's chip leaders before Wall Street fully notices. If SMH gives you the proven champions, XSD gives you the underdogs with something to prove. And if that sounds bold, wait until you see our next ETF. It doesn't just build the AI hardware, it gets paid every time AI is used. SOXX. Still in the chip world, let's talk about SOXX, the iShares Semiconductor ETF, pronounced SOXX. If SMH is concentrated and XSD is aggressive, SOXX is the middle ground, focused, but with a bit more balance. With about $15 billion in assets and 35 holdings, it gives you broad exposure to the semiconductor industry without letting any single company dominate. The expense ratio is 0.34%, slightly cheaper than SMH, and it's one of the most popular chip ETFs on the market. Its top positions feature the usual giants: Nvidia, Broadcom, AMD, Qualcomm, Intel, but none of them control the fund. You also get Texas Instruments, NXP, Lam Research, Synopsys, and KLA, covering both chip designers and the firms building the tools that make them. When chips rally, SOXX runs fast. But when the market cools or export rules tighten, it feels the drag. Still, compared to SMH, it offers a smoother ride without losing long-term potential. Think of SOXX as owning the entire AI chip supply chain, from design to production. And if you're wondering, okay, chips are clear, but what about AI software? Perfect timing. The next ETF steps off the factory floor and into the brains of AI itself. WTAI. Next up is WTAI, the Wisdom Tree Artificial Intelligence and Innovation Fund. This is where the real brainpower kicks in. WTAI doesn't just invest in the machines powering AI. It invests in the companies using AI to transform industries. With about $400 million in assets, it's not the biggest ETF on this list, but it's one of the most diversified. The expense ratio is 0.45%, and it spreads your investment across 77 stocks, a big shift from the concentrated chip funds we just covered. Its top holdings include Nvidia, Broadcom, Microsoft, Alphabet, Meta, ServiceNow, and Shopify. WTAI is a multi-sector portfolio, mixing chip makers, cloud providers, software innovators, and automation leaders all in one basket. The trade-off? Broader exposure means fewer explosive rallies. When chips spike, this ETF won't fly as high, but it also won't fall as hard. So why WTAI? Because AI is more than hardware. It's shaping healthcare, finance, logistics, cybersecurity, e-commerce, and even entertainment. WTAI lets you own the full AI revolution in one click. And next, we'll look at an ETF that takes that revolution to its extreme, a fund fully betting on AI domination. SMHX. To wrap up, let's end with one of the boldest plays on this list, SMHX, the VanEck Semiconductor High Beta ETF. Think of SMHX as your special ops team, small, fast, and built for maximum impact. With about $170 million in assets and an expense ratio of 0.35%, this fund holds just 23 stocks. No fillers, no fluff, just pure exposure to fabless semiconductor companies. These are the innovators who design chips but outsource the manufacturing. Names like Nvidia, AMD, Qualcomm, Broadcom, Marvell Technology, Cadence Design Systems, and Synopsys. That model lets them focus on creativity and speed, relying on giants like TSMC to build at scale. The result? Massive scalability and massive volatility. When AI demand surges, SMHX often outruns traditional chip ETFs, but in downturns, it pulls back fast. That's the trade-off for high-octane exposure. So why own SMHX? Because it's one of the purest, highest beta bets on AI hardware innovation. If you believe the world will need faster, smaller, and more efficient chips, this is where the race begins. SMHX isn't for the faint of heart, but it's built for believers in the future of AI. And that's it. 5 AI ETFs that could make you rich by 2030. From bold chip plays to diversified AI innovators, you now know how to ride this revolution from the ground up. So here's the question. Will you just watch the AI boom or own it? Because the biggest wealth shifts don't wait. They reward those who move early. If this helped you spot your next move, drop a comment below. And for more game-changing strategies, tap the video on screen. Your next breakthrough could be one click away.